our agenda today is about planning what we will do in maintenance and repair of overhauling the cylinder head, and we will pull out the piston and also the shell bearing with the communication to it, and this is where our shell bearing. So first, what we will do, of course, your safety. So we will wear safety equipments or suit that will be protect us in about dangers. Then we will clean the area. Supposedly the area will be clean. And after that, we will get the tools. Get the tools that we will be used and removing or dismantling the manifold. Of course, the first we will dismantle the manifold and exhaust intake manifold to the cylinder and the cylinder head. After the cylinder head, we will get the crank store. We will open the crank store and remove the bolt that connected the piston to the shaft. Then we will pull out the piston and the cylinder liner with the use of especially we do in maintenance and repair. So, any suggestions? So you, technical engineer, will be lead the cadets and the oiler. Then the cadets will be getting the tools, in charge of tools, and the oiler will be in charge of assisting the technical engineer in removing the piston and the cylinder liner, and also when we done removing it and replace it, of course lubricate oiler the cylinder liner and piston. Any clarifications?
No, sir.
So, what is the task I give it to you, Cadet?
I am going to prepare all the tools that we are going to use, sir, and assisting second engineer and oiler.
And you, oiler?
Also, sir, my task is assisting the second engineer for overhauling the engine, sir.
Of course, second engineer.
I am in charge in doing the maintenance in our main engine, sir, by removing or overhauling our cylinder head, removing the piston and the liner.
So, all goods. Okay, officers and cadets, I want this operation to be safe and nothing happen or incidents gonna happen. I want to remove all the possible hazards that can be harmed on you or in the engines. And also, always wear your safety equipment, just like your PPA. Wear it properly and wear gloves and also the hard shoes in order to have safety operation. And this will be maintenance and repair. So, let's do this!
Yes, sir.
So, thumbs up! officers and cadets. Thank you for your cooperations. Our operations is done without any accidents, and we are all safe. And we successfully removed and replaced the shell bearing and also the cylinder liner. We also lubricated. So good job. Isang bagsak.